Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Hunter ceiling fan has started making noise, running slower than usual, or just doesn't feel as smooth as it used to, then lubrication might be exactly what it needs. Over time, the internal motor parts can dry out, especially if the fan has been running regularly for long periods. Many people assume ceiling fans are completely maintenance-free, but adding oil at the right time can actually extend the life of your fan and improve its performance significantly. The important thing is to do it correctly, because adding oil in the wrong place or using the wrong method can cause more harm than good. In this video, I'll guide you through the proper step-by-step process to safely add oil to your Hunter ceiling fan so it runs quietly and efficiently again. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the ceiling fan and switch off the power supply from the main switch. Step 2. Use a stable ladder to reach the fan safely and locate the oil hole on the motor housing. Step 3. Take the recommended fan oil and prepare a few drops for application. Step 4. Carefully add oil into the oil hole without overfilling. Step 5. Let the oil settle inside for a few minutes before turning the fan back on. Step 6. Turn on the fan and run it at low speed to allow the oil to spread evenly.